Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to understand customs status for international orders on Temu. So let's just get straight into the video. So here are a couple of key customs status meanings. The first is going to be arrived at local customs, waiting for customs clearance. The package has already reached your country and is awaiting inspection by custom officials. The second is going to be customs clearance in progress or checking customs. This simply means your package is being inspected. This can take anywhere from few hours to several days. Then there's going to be another one, which is going to be custom clearance completed or released by customs. The inspection is done, duties are settled, and the package is released to a local courier for final delivery. If it says customs clearance failed or hold at customs, documentation is missing, or the import value is incorrect, this requires action from you or the courier. So I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.